Are your Microsoft Jet database engine application failing because of the msjet40 Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's fix those broken file references immediately. To kick off the msjet40 library walkthrough, I've linked a professional resource to help maintain system-level configuration. This is the msjet40 library, the Microsoft Jet 4.0 database engine. It provides unmanaged data link connectivity for Microsoft Access and legacy.mdb database manifests. It manages the orchestration of index data retrieval and multi-user file locking. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. This is a core Windows system file issue. Run the system file checker by opening command prompt as an administrator and entering sfc/scan now. Windows will scan your system and automatically repair missing or corrupted core files such as msjet40 Library DLL. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing msjet40 library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Next, we'll move beyond the basics. If your screen hasn't changed after the restart, follow me to step 3. If you need to pause the video while your folders load, don't hesitate. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Be aware that manual fixes for msjet40 Library DLL often create more problems than they solve. Incorrect file versions can cause cascading crashes across other applications, making your PC significantly less stable than before. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. If background initialization issues occur, the link in the description provides maintenance information related to msjet40 library. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including msjet40 library dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.